My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called CrossLock. CrossLock is a special ransomware-type infection. It encrypts files and damages them. Before the ransomware attack, we are able to open the files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this CrossLock ransomware may be easily injected into the system, and then it does its malicious job. It actually appends this crlk extension to the file names. It's not possible to use these files anymore, and removing that additionally appended extension still does not fix the issue. The files are still encrypted. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Paying the ransom, however, is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and after it is successfully installed, click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. The scanning will begin, and Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to effectively detect this ransomware. It helps to remove it and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks with these anti-ransomware features. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, Combo Cleaner Antivirus will give you the summary of all the threats which were effectively revealed on the computer during the scanning. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution for keeping your data always protected from further ransomware or any other malware attacks.